12 Republican and 12 Democrats have signed on to legislation that aims to shore up the Affordable Care Act and keep premiums from spiking next year. But despite the bipartisan support, it still faces an uphill challenge, with President Trump leading the resistance.
We're here today to present to the Senate the agreement we recommend.
Republican Senator Lamar Alexander and Democratic colleague Patty Murray introduced a bipartisan bill Thursday that would stabilize Obamacare.
When members of Congress decide to get past our talking points and take a few steps out of our partisan corners, there is a lot we can agree on.
The plan attempts to stabilize the individual market by reinstating subsidies for insurance companies to bring down the cost of coverage for low-income Americans for 2 more years. The president has gone back and forth on whether he will support the legislation, but he also says the subsidies are a bailout for insurance companies.
I don't want the insurance companies making any more money, because then they have to.
Senator Alexander says without the subsidies, insurance premiums will spike.
Unless they're replaced with something else temporarily, there will be chaos in this country and millions of Americans will be hurt.
Despite the bipartisan support, there are those on both sides who say the bill is only a short-term fix.
I'm still looking at it. I have concerns about it. It's not ideal.
Republican leaders have not yet said whether they would support a vote on the Alexander-Murray bill.
A bipartisan group of governors signed a letter to Congress urging them to support the plan.